You want to ride to work. The weather is warm, and it's going to be a hot one. If you were an immortal free spirit with the optimism of youth, you'd put on your shorts. But you're not. Still, you put down your stiff, heavy, black textile armored waterproof pants that single you out as a rider in your non-riding community workplace and look at your rack. There must be options. Your eyes drift over your durable, safe, old black leather pants hanging by the scuffed matching jacket. You wince. Your non-riding workmates are going to greet you with winks, smirks, and whip sounds all day long. As durable as leather is, your dignity has removed them from the running this morning. Moving along, your eyes linger on an old pair of Wranglers that always fit the bill on days like these. Low profile, comfortable, if a little exposed. Yep, they'll work. I'll just ride more carefully. But deep down, your ride is slightly tarnished because you remembered in some article somewhere that regular denim will offer you absolutely zero protection from either impact or abrasion. If you fall off your bike at any decent speed, the road will chew through them in under a second and the seams will burst. We've all done it, made excuses for not going out at GAT. Over a decade ago, a new dawn in riding gear arrived. Riding jeans. But it was a false dawn, as they could be broadly categorized into two familiar groups. Jeans which were heavy, uncomfortable, and hot. Those dorky pads fooled no one into thinking you were just wearing your regular Wranglers or 501s. And Group 2, jeans too lightly constructed to offer any meaningful protection. Anything more than a tip over, and you might as well have been wearing Lycra. Heaven forbid. A few years ago, a third choice of riding jean appeared on the horizon. Comfortable, yet safe, and, if I say so myself, stylish in a low-profile sort of way, almost perhaps passing for your favorite 501s. I'm wearing the KLIM K52, a tailored straight-leg riding jean. They're cut similar to a Levi's 501. KLIM also makes the K51, which is the same jean but with a more relaxed, loose, straight Wrangler-like fit. While they might look like regular jeans, what makes them a riding jean is the protection they offer from abrasion and impact. They have about the top level of impact and abrasion resistance on the market for a riding jean right now, while being comfortable and arguably stylish. But there's an elephant in the room. They're pricey. Very pricey. At about $300 US or $400 Canadian, that makes them expensive compared with some others. I'll make no bones about it. There are cheaper riding jeans to be had out there, but few rate as highly as the KLIM K50s. While not cheaper, one exception may be Dragon jeans known as Draco jeans in North America, which are rated very highly by MotoCap. MotoCap, or the Motorcycle Clothing Assessment Program, is an impartial consortium of government and private organizations across Australia and New Zealand which rigorously tests gear for safety and comfort, giving it a rating. MotoCap's self-styled mantra is to empower motorcyclists to choose the right gear that provides them with the best protection and comfort for their ride. It's worth taking a look at the MotoCap site, as the more sources of impartial information riders have for this sort of thing, the better informed our decisions are and the more focused our buying power is. I'll leave a link above. But back to the KLIM K50s. Some manufacturers will weave Kevlar, which is a brand name for aramid, into the denim, whereas other manufacturers, KLIM for example, will use full Kevlar panels under the jeans. The yellow Kevlar panels in the K50s are found in the seat, hip, and the knee, and offer more abrasion resistance than aramid woven into denim. The KLIM riding jeans have something else woven into their denim though, Cordura. Cordura is used in tire liners by the military. It's a fabric designed for heavy use and is traditionally used because of its much better resistance to abrasion and tearing than regular denim. Despite Kevlar being the go-to lining or fabric when considering a motorcycle jean, many tests have claimed that Cordura actually has more abrasion resistance than Kevlar, and that the elasticity that the nylon-based Cordura provides makes the fabric far less prone to tearing when involved in a slide, not to mention that old bugaboo, comfortable. Beyond the Kevlar panels and the Cordura denim, the K50s include low-profile protection in the form of Level 1 D30 Evo armor for the hips, adjustable D30 Evo knee armor, and a Poron XRD tailbone pad. These come with the jeans. D3O is an almost thixotrophic substance, which means it's soft until hit. When it uses the force of the impact to become rigid, it substantially reduces the transmitted force to the surface under them, which is you. That's partially why the jean looks and feels like regular jean. The armor is slim and pliable in normal use. Better still, the Poron tailbone protector has incredible impact resistance, but is even more supple than the D3O, which means comfort yet low profile. You can sit on this and you'll barely feel it. There's also a full mesh lining next to your skin which disperses heat and keeps you cooler when riding. With plastic rivets, you won't get little red spots on your bum if you do hit the road, and the fly zipper is YKK. There'll be no indignity if you are the main attraction on the interstate. These jeans are class AA rated, which is the second highest level of protection for motorcyclists out of 5 levels. While you won't find a riding jean on the market with a higher AAA rating, you will find plenty lower than the AA rating. What are they like to wear around the house or at work? Amazingly, they're comfortable. The pads seem unobtrusive, and if you don't like the feel of them, they're easily removable anyway. And while I haven't yet ridden with them, I will be riding with them in Utah, Nevada, and Arizona for a week. I'll be checking out their riding comfort 6 hours a day. I'll tell you if they're as cool feeling in hot weather as they're supposed to be, how they stand up to long days, and whether they're bothersome or awkward to live with. And while I hope I don't have to check out their safety rating, I will ride with a little more confidence knowing that I'm not just riding in my old pair of Wranglers.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.